What's up? Brooklyn Cardenas here, and I want to talk to you about one of the most exciting things happening in hair color today, Paul Mitchell's the Demi. Now, with some of the most requested services in the salon today being root smudges, bleach and tones, color melts, toning and refining, as well as top coat and glossing, a Demi-permanent semi-opaque color is a must-have on your color bar. Now, because of its liquid gel consistency, it works rapidly and has a processing time of just 20 minutes, meaning that it will allow you to be able to create these upgraded services in your salon as well as be efficient. The color palette is never ending and always growing, as it consists of not only its naturals, but its cool and its pure tones. Our naturals have a brown to tan background. These give a beautiful and natural finish and can be worked great on its own or when intermixed with the other colors. It also is a great opportunity for gray blending. Now, our pure tones have no background. Alone, they're extremely vibrant and can be also mixed with any of the other colors. And if you mix with the clear, can create incredible fashion tones. Think red and clear together make pink. The possibilities are endless. Now, our Cool series have a black to gray background and have a PA, double ash, an MT series. Now, these are top requested because they not only keep warmth at bay, but it gives a beautiful, cool end result. We also have muted metallics, which are our fashion tones that are just pick and put. They're already pre-formulated, so the consistency is amazing. We have our flash toners. Now, flash toners will kick brass in the booty, as well as create a pre-tone situation when you need a quick tone or when you're looking for a fashion end result. It has a processing time of just 2 to 10 minutes. Demi is no ammonia, no MEA, and no lift formula, meaning they will not shift the natural level of the hair. It works fantastic for a first-time guest or a top coat situation or when you're working in a color correction. It also has a soy protein, plant-based lipid, and oleic acid base, meaning that the cuticle is going to be left in a healthy and beautiful and shiny end result, as well as have a mixture of both oxidative and direct dyes, creating long-lasting results with a color that lasts anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks. Sounds good, doesn't it? Now, you can build your business while introducing color to your guests with Paul Mitchell the Demi. Now, I can't wait to see what you create.